Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Electronics. This video is about the new syllabus of VTU 2022. They have introduced a subject called Introduction to Electronics Engineering with a code 22ESC143/243. So this is the electronics engineering subject where basic electronics is studied by EC and allied branches, but other than EC and allied branches students are going to learn Introduction to Electronics Engineering subject. So let us get into the syllabus of this and let us see what are all the contents present. This is the syllabus of Introduction to Electronics Engineering. You can see here is the subject code, and this is a 40 hours theory subject where it covers 3 hours per week and it carries 3 credits. And examination marks and all, it will be same to other subjects. If we compare, CI marks is 50 and SCE marks is also 50 and total marks is 100. And then coming to the course objectives, here the main concentration is about to prepare the students with fundamental knowledge or overview in the field of electronics and communication engineering, and to equip the students with basic foundation in electronics engineering required for comprehending the operation of and application of electronic circuits, logic design, embedded system and communication. And the third point is professionalism and learning environment. So this is the main objective of this subject. And then coming to the module wise content, here you can see this is the syllabus of module 1. This can be covered in 8 hours, that is the stipulated time they have given. In the first chapter we have power supplies, that is it that contains block diagram of the power supply, and then rectifier circuits, different types of rectifiers, and then voltage multipliers. Coming to amplifiers, this is the second chapter. Here a common emitter amplifier without feedback and with feedback, multi-stage amplifiers, and bipolar junction transistor as a switch, that is cutoff and saturation modes. This is the second chapter. So 2 chapters are there in module 1. So this will be covered in 8 hours. So this is the content of module 1. Coming to module 2, again it is given for 8 hours theory class. Here oscillators and operational amplifiers are covered. You can see oscillators and operational amplifiers in the second chapter. Regarding oscillators, Barkhausen criteria and different types of oscillators, ladder network oscillator, Wien bridge oscillator, multivibrators, so crystal oscillator are covered in oscillator chapter. In the second chapter, operational amplifiers related to op-amp and applications like inverting, non-inverting, voltage follower, summer subtractor are covered. This is about module 2. And coming to module 3, this is digital electronics part. Again it covers in 8 hours, Boolean algebra and logic circuits. First number systems are going to be discussed, and then coming to digital logic gates, and then some combinational logic circuits up to half adder, full adder, and some design procedures are going to be discussed. This is module 3. In module 4, this is again for 8 hours. Embedded system is introduced. In embedded system, a general purpose system and embedded system classification, and then microprocessor, microcontroller, differences between the types of systems here they have kept in first chapter. In second chapter, sensors and interfacing, some concept related to transducers, different types of sensors, actuators are here given, and LED 7 segment display. This is about module 4. In module 5 again, it is again for 8 hours. Here communication part is covered, analog communication schemes and digital modulation schemes. You can see this analog communication schemes, which are the different types of medium or channel and different types of modulation techniques, is the main concept here. In digital modulation scheme also, compared to the analog modulation schemes like AM, FM, here we have ASK, FSK, PSK, and radio signal transmission in multiple access techniques are covered. If you look at this syllabus, it is almost similar to the previous basic electronics syllabus what we have in 21 batch, but the content is reduced. Because why? Because this subject is for other branch students, those who not come under electronics and allied branches. So this subject will be studied by computer science, civil engineering, mechanical engineering streams and the related branches with respect to mechanical, civil and computer science. So they kept a minimal syllabus, and if you look at the syllabus, it is all about the introduction to these concepts. So in module 1 to module 5 they tried to cover all the different aspects in electronics. So this is about introduction to electronics engineering. So the videos of these concepts are already available in my channel with the playlist Basic Electronics and Communication Engineering. So you can go there and get the explanation to these concepts. Thank you.